Hi, this is Bill, and you're watching this video because you want to know the Erect on Demand ingredients, which are really just the Boner Brew ingredients. And, some people call it the Peruvian Brew. It's the Erect on Demand recipe. So there is kind of a shortcut to getting that. You can buy the book, and the book is fabulous. You read the whole thing, and it'll help you in many ways. But if you just want the Boner Brew and the ingredients in Erect on Demand, you can actually buy it in a powder substance. I'll have a link to it coming up, but it allows you to actually experience the Boner Brew or the Erect on Demand product without actually having to source all the ingredients yourself. So it's a real good shortcut. There should be a link right here, and don't forget to buy it, but also subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of videos coming up. Thanks. Bye. One more thing. In the upper left-hand corner, there'll be a link to my Peruvian Brew review video where I actually use the product and give you my experience with it. So go ahead and check that out too.